Hey, what's up guys? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Now recently you may have heard about the brand new iPhone 17 Pros suffering from some serious scratching after only a couple of days use. And obviously that's not good at all for such an expensive phone. But luckily I've got a solution that'll solve that problem for you. And that is a quality case. Now, all the cases that I'm going to be taking a look at today are from Casekoo, and I'm going to be trying them out on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, which honestly at this moment in time, I'm absolutely bricking it that I'm rocking it without a case. But that'll all change in a minute, and I've used Casekoo for quite some time because I've had one of their clear cases on my iPhone 15 Pro Max since the day I got the phone, and to be fair, it's been absolutely faultless. As you can see, the clear case hasn't turned yellow like others do, and it's really held up well. So let's first start off with the case that I think is going to be best fitted for my particular phone, being the silver/white version, and that is the clear case. And this is from their Magic Stand range. So let's pop it on and see how it looks. Yeah, nice snug fit, check that out. Nice raised edges there. So if we put that down, we can see, we can move that around. We haven't got to worry about Apple Scratchgate here. We are all good to go. Looking around the back of the phone, and we've got loads of protection going on. Now this camera bump is very large this year, and this is one of the areas that people have been complaining about, getting scratches, and also on this area down here. But it's good to know that up the top we do have all this added protection. We've not just got protection around the camera lenses just there, we've got it all in between, all nicely cut out as well, so that is nice to see. And as you can see, it is just slightly raised above those camera lenses, so again, we can put it down, we can spin it around, and we are good to go. Now looking at the corners of the case, we've got some nice bumper protection going on there. So for those big drops, we've got military grade protection going on. So that's nice to know. I'll give it a good whack, and yeah, all good there. Now moving to the sides of the phone, and everything lines up perfectly. All the buttons are in exactly the right places where they should be. Nice satisfying click still going on there. And of course we've got a little cutout there for our camera control. I can easily still slide my finger across that and use that control, where some cases it may be a little bit more difficult to operate. Moving to the bottom of the phone, and again, everything is cut out perfectly there for the speakers, for the charging port, that is all good. Moving around to the other side again, and once again, all the buttons line up exactly where they should be, as there's nothing worse when you look through your case and the buttons aren't quite lining up. But in this case, as you can see, they are absolutely spot on. Now let's get to the start of the show, and that is the Magic Stand. So obviously you can do all your usual MagSafe stuff with this, but if we pull this ring out like so, there we go, we've got a stand there. So normal sort of thing, we see that on other cases, but this has a party trick because we can actually rotate this stand round. So we can move this to all different positions. So where you've got it like that, you're pretty much just locked into that one place like so. But with this, we can turn that around. We can put it at all different sort of angles. That is great. Look how far we can really put that round. And what I love is the fact that it's 360 degrees, because again, with some cases, you might have a stand where maybe it's round this way and it's then covering the buttons that you maybe want to use. But with this, we can spin it around the other way. And there we go. We've still got access to the buttons there, and we can adjust it to any angle. But overall, I think that is a stunning case. Nice and clear, as it should be. And like I said, going by my previous Casekoo case, it didn't yellow either, which is always a worry with many other cases. So for me, this is definitely the one that I'm going to be rocking, and I think it just does the white/silver real justice. Right, let's move on to the next case now. And with Casekoo, one thing I've got to say about them, I do love the fact that they do cover all the different colours for the different iPhones. And obviously this year we've got 3 different colours going on. We've got the white/silver, we've got blue, and of course the colour that everyone seems to be going for, the orange. And yes, we have an orange case. So once again, let's grab my iPhone 17 Pro Max and slot that in. Once again, a perfect fit. nice and tight, but not too tight that you're really having to struggle to get it over there. But you know it is nice and secure. It's not wobbling around in there like some cases do, and it's not too tight that it's also going to scratch it. Now, of course, I've got the white phone, but this is going to fit perfectly if you have gone for that one colour that everyone wants, the orange. So if we look up by the camera lenses, we've got orange going all the way around the edge there. And of course, we've got the same protection as before, going between the lenses just there and there. So that is great news that, again, if we put it down, it's not going to get scratched up. No Scratchgate worries here. Casekoo have got you covered. I like the fact that we've got the orange going around there. Of course, if you've got the orange phone, that's all going to be orange in between there. So you're going to have a nice sea of orange going on. So this is definitely going to be the case for to show off all that orange. And of course, around the sides, again, this is going to be a problem with that anodized metal where it seems to be getting scratched up. But of course, with an orange case like this, you haven't got those worries. The phone is going to stay all nice and mint. And at worst, it's the case that's going to get scratched, which is easily replaceable and at a very low cost. Now, of course, on the screen side, once again, we've got raised edges there. So again, no worries about the screen getting scratched. You know, you might even get away with not having a screen protector on this. And again, round the sides, buttons all in the right places. Nice click going on there. Cutouts at the bottom, once again, all perfect. Same around the side where we've got that camera button, easily accessible, as you can see, just rubbing my finger over that. Not a problem at all. And once again, this is from their Magic Stand range. So, as we can see, once again, pull that out. Again, we can use all our MagSafe accessories with this. That is great. So, again, stand up. Put it like that. It's literally any way you can imagine. This stand can deal with it, any angle. Just spot on. I love it. What more do you want from a phone case with a stand? And don't just take my word for it. Casekoo has just won a design award in 2025. So overall on the orange, well, it wouldn't be the one that I would go for, having the white/silver phone, but if I had the orange phone, then this would definitely be the one that I would go for, keeping that whole orange look, but with the added protection. Right, so on to the final case now then, and can you guess what colour it will be? Well, maybe no surprise to see that it is in fact the blue. So a bit of a different design and feel to this one. So we can see that we've got like this frosted window going on just there. And once again, if I grab my 17 Pro Max and slip that into the case, there we go. Again, nice fit. As you can see, I didn't struggle to get it over, but it is nice and tight fitting on there. Nothing worse when you get some cases, you're really having to struggle to pull it over and it feels like it's going to scratch it. Not with this, but then, like I said, it's not too loose either. So the feel of this case is different to the others. I love it. It's actually like a really soft rubber. But again, not too soft that, you know, you're sort of going to damage it easily, but just feels nice in the hand. Really nice, like, grip feel to that. It's not going to slip out of your hands easy, like a shoe like that, as you can see. Nice firm grip on there. Looked a bit rude, but there you go. But just like the others, we are getting that same level of protection going on. So as we can see there, we have got protection sitting above those camera rings just there. There we go. And yeah, that's nice. Can you see how grippy that is on the table? That's what I mean about that rubber. It is really nice. But I'll try and slide it around there. And as we can see, that is all good. And it's not marking either, which is always a bonus because the last thing you want is your case to wear out in 5 minutes. And it's the same again in the middle with that protection going on there, all perfectly cut out. And again, protection on that screen, nicely raised up there. So put it down, bang it around. This is a brand new phone. It's my own phone. I wouldn't do it like this if I knew it wasn't protected. But as you can see, all good. And it's not marking either. Just as before, all the cutouts are absolutely perfect. Spot on there again. Spot on the bottom. Again, you get sometimes with these charging ports, they make them a bit too narrow. So if you've got a bigger charging cable, it won't fit in. But with that, that's not going to be a problem at all. And again, round the side, all lining up perfectly. And the Casekoo logo just there. Very nice looking indeed. But you will notice that on this case, we don't have the stand. but they have also got you covered there, because if you want that cleaner look but you still maybe want to stand up from time to time, they actually supply this little plastic stand that's separate, so you can put it out like that and stand your phone in like so, and there you go. That's all chucked in as part of the phone case as well. So yeah, so you can have the cleaner look but also the convenience of a stand if you ever want to use it. And it's not just in landscape that you have to use that, because you can open it and close it a bit and you can put it just like so. So there you go then guys, I'm sure you'll agree, a lovely selection of cases there, and they should all help you avoid that Scratchgate that is going on. Like I said, I'm going to be rocking the clear case. I just think that looks so clean. Now if you do like what you see in this video and you want to pick up one of these cases for yourselves, I'll put a link in the descriptions. But it's not just the ones that I've shown in this video. There are loads more available in a whole range of colours, both with and without the magic stand, including the matte deep blue magic stand option. So I'll put a link to those in the description, along with a discount code that will get you 15% off. But if you have enjoyed today's video, then please do us a favour and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.